Hey, what's up everyone? Tim here from Everyday Tactical Vids. Today I want to talk to you about KARMIK Outdoors. And the first thing I want to let you know is that you're going to get a year free of this service if you sign up with them. So really good deal. Let me tell you what it is. It's basically a system to find your gear if it gets lost out in the woods. So if you look at this black sheet right over here, you're basically going to scan the QR code, then you're going to attach the decal to your gear, and then if you lost your gear out in the woods and someone finds it, you can get connected and get notified. So this was actually included in my last Battlbox, and I just dropped the sticker, and then all of a sudden I found it and I was like, I wonder what this is. And right then KARMIK reached out to me and said, hey, no harm, no foul. If you don't want to talk about our product, just let us know how we can improve things. So I emailed them back and I said, no, totally my fault. So I'm going to do a separate review, which is what we're doing right now. So let me tell you about KARMIK Outdoors. They launched in August 2020. They're two hunting and fishing buddies from out in Idaho. One of the two co-founders is from Georgia, where Battlbox operates, obviously. They are a USA company. The decals are made in the USA. They support, basically anybody who's in the outdoors. So hunters, fishermen, backpackers, firearm owners, general outdoorsmen. So again, the concept is you get a bunch of these decals, you put them on your gear, and if you drop or lose something and then someone finds it for you, you can basically reconnect with them via this QR code. So the question people are going to ask is, yeah, that's nice, but if somebody finds my gear, are they going to actually return it? So they did some trials and they said we lost our own outdoor gear in Boise, and then they got 78% of their items back and they got 90% of their fly boxes back as far as, for fly fishing. So yeah, I just think it's impressive. Like, if you lose gear in the outdoors and somebody else finds it, most people who are in the outdoors are like, oh man, what a bummer. Somebody lost their, knife or whatever it might be. And now you've got a way to basically connect with people so you can get your gear returned to you. So their cost is $199 per active decal per year. But again, the first year is free. They've also extended a 50% off coupon that came in the Battlbox Mission 70 box. And so you can see that right there. If you use the code BATTLE, BATL50, you're going to save 50% off. And that runs through February 2021. So you're going to save, a nice amount of money. So basically the idea is get a bunch of decals, put it on your gear. You get your first year free. After that, it's $1.99 per decal. But say you got 10 decals out there at $2 a pop. So you got $20 invested. And if somebody finds your lost gear, maybe you've saved $100 because you lost a nice knife that was out in the woods, or you lost, something having to do with hunting, fishing, whatever it might be. They sent me an example. They said if you got the Kong case that came in the Battlbox, it's $40, and you put a $300 revolver in there with $100 worth of ammo, and you left it out in the woods, you're talking about a $440 investment that you aren't having to pay $440 to replace. So guys, as you know, I work with a ton of different companies. These guys have been awesome, honestly. Like, they've reached out to me. They've been super helpful. They were, I apologize for missing their product. They were like, no harm, no foul. We just want to learn and grow and maybe understand why you skipped it. And like, again, I was like, no, I didn't do it on purpose. I just missed the item. It slipped out of the box maybe, and I didn't see it, fell on the ground. So yeah, I think this is a cool concept. Obviously your hands-on physical gear is always fun to test and to review and to unbox and etc. But it is cool to have a service like this that for a very low cost, you're going to end up saving a lot of money if you drop some gear out in the woods. So check it out. Their website, you can see it right there on the right here on the card, KARMIK Outdoors. So KARMIK Outdoors.com. They've also got, Facebook, Instagram, looks like they're on YouTube as well. So check them out. Yeah, cool product, cool concept, and definitely want to support guys who are helping us recover our gear when we lost it, because that's a major, major bummer when you whatever it is, lose things out in the woods. I keep talking about knives because I've definitely lost some stuff out in the woods in the past. It's not fun. So check them out, KARMIK Outdoors. Thanks for checking out this video. As always, please subscribe if you haven't done so already here on the Everyday Tactical Vids channel. Like us on Facebook, follow us on Twitter, check us out on Instagram, Tumblr, and Vero as well. More videos coming soon. Take care.